Yo, I'm here with who? Who am I with?
Me, Cruz, from Activity Time with Cruz.
King Cruz joined me today. We did
Yes.
some work on this thing, Cruz. What are some of the features we added today, man?
We added in a heartbeat effect where when you get to a certain amount of health,
So
then it'll start to beat.
Yeah, so very common little feature here. Once we get low health, you have that red border around the screen like so.
Yeah.
And you can see that it kind of pulses as well. Really sweet little effect we added. And also, what else did we add?
We also added where it shows how many of the stone things are on the map.
So right above the top right corner, we have, for example, 17 of the blues in total in the game. And so when you pick them up, they now actually accurately show you the amount remaining. So that makes it easier now for players to know when they've collected all of the nudies as they're swimming around trying to find them. We have a counter in the top right corner now that shows you the amount that exists or remaining to find for all the colors, and that works really well. In the very bottom right corner is the radar, which was in that top right corner, but now it's in the bottom right corner. But that's it for now. Hey, thanks, Cruz, for helping me out with adding in these features, man. It's always great to have you. Keep learning until I see you next week, right?
Yeah.
Alright, Cruz, catch you later, alligator.
Now for a while, crocodile. Okay, bye.
Bye.